Having trouble figuring out which luxury SUV is right for you? Let's make this easy and take a look at the Lexus NX versus the Acura RDX. I may be a little biased, so let's hear what the experts have to say about the Lexus NX.
The best combination of quality and value in the class. The Lexus NX 300 will win you over with its stylish design and comfortable ride. It serves up the luxury brand's most desirable features in a compact luxury crossover SUV.
It's tough to argue that.
As you would expect from a luxury SUV, the Lexus NX has an available and ingenious hands-free power liftgate.
Look, no hands.
Want that feature with an Acura RDX? Sure, just a couple upgrades costing you an additional $8,100 to an already pricey SUV that you'll have to special order. Oh, and wait a few months to get behind the wheel. No thanks.
Would you be surprised to know that the Acura RDX also doesn't offer a power tilt or a telescoping steering wheel? You call that luxury? In addition to Apple CarPlay, only the Lexus NX has standard Amazon Alexa connected car integration. Alexa, start my NX and unlock my doors, please. Oh, and how much gas do I have?
Sure. Your Lexus is started. Doors unlocked. You have less than a quarter tank of gas.
Thanks, Alexa. Can you pick up the kids too?
No, but I can route you to your favorite takeout restaurant for dinner.
Starting to get the picture. Let's talk safety.
The NX has available additional measures of safety, such as parking and backup assist, with auto braking. Plus, available adaptive front lighting that uses steering and speed sensors to direct the angle of low beam illumination as the vehicle enters a curve.
The Acura RDX leaves you in the dark.
And there's more. A tighter turning radius, more front legroom, better fuel economy, lower fuel costs. What more could you need?
Looking for better economy? The NX is available in a hybrid model. The Acura RDX, not.
Want even more performance and style? Then you'll love the Lexus NX F Sport.
Alexa, close the garage door, please.
Come see the Lexus NX for yourself at Performance Lexus RiverCenter in Covington or in the King's Auto Mall.